Hello students, today we are going to see the next part in the muscular system, means how do the muscles performing their functions. Yes, for that they told one activity to you at home. Hold your arm at a straight, yes, to the elbow means 180 degree. Yes, after that bend the arm with the elbow means through the 90 degree. Then touch the shoulder with your fingers on the same side. Then you can feel it, yes, that some part in that muscles. Yes, so muscles are contract and relax during their actions. So muscles, how they are working? So in our muscles, they are working in the groups. When some muscles get contract, other muscles of the same group get relax. This help them to do the proper performing of their function. Means they are working in the group only. Yes. So in our class, how the childrens they are making 3-4 girls. Again, boys are different groups. Yes. In that, like the muscles are working in the groups only. When some muscles get contract, other of the same muscles get relaxed. Yes, and this how the muscles help in proper performance of various function of our body. Yes, all walking, talking, laughing, closing of eyes, all work with these muscles. So muscles on the front of the bones in the upper arm. Yes, that is upper arm of our is that known as biceps. Here they have shown. Again, back of that it is known as tricep. Yes, in while we are taking any book or anything that get contract, again if you are putting that get relaxed. Yes, so like this we are performing the this muscle this already we have discussed in last video where the muscles are present, what their names. Now, what would happen if the cardiac muscles do not move? The cardiac muscles, it is related with our heart. Then blood circulation will stop. Again, the food enters the stomach and stomach muscles do not move. Yeah, if the stomach muscles do not move, the digestion will not occur. It will stop there only. Yes. Again, here for care of muscles, how you are caring your muscles? For muscles of our body must be strong and efficient. Then only we will do all the functions. So, very important thing is that our diet must be balanced. It contains all the proteins, carbohydrate, nutrients in proper amount. Yes, and if they are insufficient, then our growth will stop. Yes, again, only eating it is not important. We must get regular exercise. Yes, if we are making exercise, then our muscles make strong. It makes our muscles strong, healthy. Yes, that's why we have to do first thing, we have to take the balanced diet, and second is that we have to take regular exercise. Again, while sitting also we have to sit straight only. Yes, while sitting, some children they are not sitting straight. Yes, you must sit straight. Yes, not back or bent with it. Otherwise, there will be change in the structure of various vertebrae in our body. Yes, the disorder of vertebral column may be occurs afterwards. So during exercise, movement of heart muscles become more rapid. Breathing also too rapid, faster, ensuring that sufficient supply of oxygen and nutrient to various parts of the body. Like this, you have to take the care of the muscles. Yes. Now, next it is of digestive system. Yes, human digestive system means ours. What happens to the food when we eat inside our body? When you are taking the food, that time it will convert into small pieces. After that, they are converted into soluble part. Then only they are mixed with the blood. Yes, does this food mix as it is with the blood? No. When it will convert into soluble nutrient, then only it get mixed with the blood. So what is meant by digestion? So conversion of food into soluble forms and its absorption into the blood, it is called as digestion. This all process, it is known as digestion. So digestive system consists of alimentary canals and digestive glands in there. So our length of alimentary canal, it is of 9 meter children. So it means part means it will start with mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, or small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus. Along with that, the salivary glands are there, liver, pancreas. Yes, are the digestive glands connected to the alimentary canals. So different organs of the digestive system systematically perform the function of the digestion. They are working systematically. Yes, that's why our digestion will occur. And there are different stages. Having different stages, in that different organs are there to perform the different function. Yes, that we will see in the next video. Today we will stop here. Okay.